Good morning kababayan, this is Christian Carino from Mega World at the Fort. And today, itutur ko kayo sa one-bedroom condo unit natin here in Uptown Modern. By the way, Uptown Modern is our newly launched condo project and will be the last highest residential condo here in Uptown BGC. And right now, we have that opportunity to see the model unit. So itutur ko kayo, quick tour lang, pero papakita ko sa inyo bawat corner, deliverables, and also the actual area. So, upon entering from our main door, we have maid's area. Ayan. Kasama na yung washer dryer. Yes, correct. Washer dryer na yung kasama ng unit na to. Even sa studio, with own toilet and bathroom maid's area. And for the kitchen, what you see is what you get na. We have built-in oven and Gorenhey European induction cooktop with range hood. Built-in refrigerator. Ayan. Napakaganda, napaka-aesthetic. For our kitchen, syempre, yung countertop natin, anong klase ba yan? What type of countertop do you have in Uptown Modern? This is a quartz countertop. And you have also the sink and faucet. Check naman natin yung common toilet and bath. For the common toilet and bath, what you see is what you get na. Floor to ceiling tiles with glass partition sa shower area. Smart featured mirror, lavatory, and toilet and bowl. Siyempre, may kasama na ring cabinet. Drawer. Yan. And guys, this is the dining / living area. So, napaka-spacious pa rin yan, no? For a one-bedroom, 58 square meter. May kasama na tong split-type aircon. Also, we have floor-to-ceiling glass with the view of Sierra Madre Antipolo, greenery, no blockage. Meron tayong access sa balcony. Maganda dito may balcony, guys. Sobrang ganda pag ang unit natin may balcony. And check natin tong bedroom area. Guys, the bedroom area is very spacious. Pwede ka maglagay dito ng working space. Queen size bed, kasyang-kasya. Ayan. Meron ka pa ditong patungan. And floor to ceiling glass na rin siya. So, during daylight, maliwanag siya. Makakasave tayo ng electricity. Guys, ang bedroom natin, it comes with cabinet. So, ayan. From your bedroom area, meron tayong sliding door dito, connecting sa common toilet and bath. Para hindi ka nalalabas sa living area. So guys, if you like this unit, you want the quotation, ang total contract price nito is 24 million pesos. Right now, we have a new promo. No spot down payment, 6 years to pay, 0 interest. So for only 26,000 pesos per month, you can own this one-bedroom unit here in Uptown Modern. If you are interested, guys, you can message me on my details on your screen. This is Christian Carino, your trusted property specialist. Thank you.